So, how to post on Snapchat. Snapchat is pretty straightforward when it comes to posting content. I'm just going to open up the app right now. Once again, it opens the camera feature. To post a photo, all you have to do is click the photo button down below. It'll capture a photo, and you can then edit things on top of this. So you can add filters or text or call to actions, anything you want. So I can swipe to the right. You can see different filters are coming in just as I'm swiping. This one's a motion filter, so it actually measures the speed that your phone is traveling when you take the photo or the video. This is the temperature in the location you're at right now, the time that you've taken the photo, and then there's location-based ones. So I'm in Medellin, Colombia. So as I scroll, you can see I get a couple of different ones just because I'm in this city, and you'll see your own specific filters for wherever you're located in the world. Sometimes they're really different and unique and cool, and they're fun to look at when you're traveling around. So, for example, if I wanted to choose this one as my filter, I could then draw on top of this by using the pen in the very top right. So this is sort of like Microsoft Paint, and you can write anything on top of your photo. You can just choose the color by scrolling up and down that little color palette on the right, and you can just decorate it. I'm not a very artistic person, but I'm sure you can do a lot better than me. Make your Snapchats look pretty that way. The other bit of text you can add, you just click the pen to go back, is just normal text. So you can type text here, and you can hit done, and that'll just sort it anywhere on the screen. If you hit the T again, the text button again, it'll make it big text, and you can put that anywhere on the screen. The other thing you can do to edit the photos is you can put emojis on top. So the little sticker icon, I guess it looks like, next to the T, if you click that, you get a bunch of really cool emojis that you can put anywhere into your photo just by dragging it around. You can also expand it by pinching with 2 fingers and pulling outwards, or you can make it smaller or spin it around. So that's how you do a photo. To post the photo on your story, which remember is the most powerful thing you can do as a business, simply click story and then post, which is the bottom right arrow. You could also send it to an individual friend. So if I wanted to send this to Turtle Pizzeria, which is the account we created, you can just click, I want to unclick my story, and then you can click send, and it sends this photo directly to this person. So this feature is a little bit more advanced, and it's a little bit more invasive to be using as a business. I will touch on the best ways to use each of these features in the upcoming module, but for right now, stick to posting stories so people can volunteer to view your content instead of forcing it on their inbox right now. So if I click send, you can see it's loading, and the red icon, which means I've sent a photo to Turtle Pizzeria. Swiping back to the camera window again, if I hold down this button, you can see that I am taking a video. You can see that I am taking the exact same way that the photos worked. You can swipe and apply filters to the video. You can turn mute the sound or turn the sound on off. And you can draw on top of it or type on top of it or do any of the things you could do to a photo, except it's a video form. Click send again, and you can post it to my story or just send it to any one of your contacts personally. So that's how you post Snapchats. And the other form of media, once again, is chat. The chat's not done from the photo window. The chat is done from this newsfeed window right here. So if I was to want to chat to Turtle Pizzeria, I see his name and I swipe to the left, or you can push that little chat icon in the top left that I just pushed, and then search for somebody's name, Turtle Pizzeria, and you can write a message in here and send it to them. So they're the 3 ways of how to use Snapchat to post content out there. I'm going to be getting into specifics and strategy in the upcoming modules to use this to get the best results for our businesses.